Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today, we are going to be replacing the drive cable on a John Deere 22-inch self-propelled mower. So, let's get started. After draining the fuel, you can flip the mower on its side. Since we're working under it, we're going to unplug the spark plug. Now that it's safe, using a T15 Torx, remove the two screws holding the belt cover in place. Now that those are out, flip the mower back on its wheels and remove the cover. Now is a good time to inspect the drive belt and return spring. Everything looks good. So flip it back on its side. If there's anything stuck, now is a good time to get it out. The cable end is a Z-type end and is easy to remove. The cable replacement part number is 7103990YP. Inspect the new cable. Since it is difficult to show you this being removed, I'll show you how it's done from the outside. Using a pair of duckbill pliers, simply squeeze the two tabs together and pull the cable out. Once the cable has been removed, flip the mower back to the wheels. Get rid of the old cable. If equipped, run the new cable through the guide ring before connecting the rest of it up. Feed the wire through the frame, then install the fastener. You should hear a definitive click sound. Then lift the mower back on its side. Connect the Z cable to the transmission. Pull the opposite end of the cable to take the slack out. Put it back on its wheels. Remove the old cable adjuster. And install the new adjuster that came installed on the cable. Then remove the old cable with the hook and install the new cable in its place. Rotating the adjuster will control how far you would need to push the handle for the self-propel to work. If it moves like this and the belt gets tight, then you're good to go. Replace the belt cover and install the T15 torque screws. And since we're done underneath, reconnect the spark plug wire. Now, let's give it a test run. Wheel, it starts and stops when using the control. Wheels spin. So, that can only mean one thing.
It looks like another one is good to go.